Has it ever occurred to you why not use cheap items that you may have at home to get rid of bed bugs? By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an effective DIY spray to get rid of bed bugs all on your own, and no more expensive professional treatments required. Let's get started. Here's what you will need: 2 cups of water, 10 to 15 drops of essential oil. Pick one that's been proven to be effective against bed bugs. It could be tea tree essential oil, lavender, peppermint, or eucalyptus oil. You will also need 2 teaspoons of dish soap, 1/8 of a cup of vinegar, and a spray bottle. Now, let's see how to create and apply this DIY spray for bed bugs. Step 1. Mix water and essential oil. Pour 2 cups of water into the spray bottle. Add 10 to 15 drops of your chosen essential oil. Scientific studies, such as the one from Virginia University, are now backing the effectiveness of herbal essential oils against insects, as well as bed bugs. They are effective against bed bugs due to their antifungal and antimicrobial properties. Step 2. Add dish soap and vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon of dish soap to the mixture. The dish soap helps the essential oils disperse evenly in the water and improves the spray's effectiveness by breaking down the bed bugs' protective outer layer. Then add 1/8 of a cup of vinegar into the spray bottle. The vinegar will help dehydrate and kill bed bugs. Step 3. Shake well. Close the spray bottle and shake it vigorously to ensure that the essential oil, dish soap, and vinegar are well mixed with the water. Step 4. Test in a small area. Before using the spray on larger areas, do a patch test in a small, inconspicuous area to check for any adverse reactions on surfaces. Step 5. Spray infested areas. Directly spray the mixture onto areas where you suspect bed bugs might be hiding. Focus on cracks, crevices, seams, and other potential hiding spots. Be sure to cover both the bugs and their eggs if possible. Repeat application if needed. So in conclusion, now you have all the necessary know-how on how to create your very own DIY spray. Check out the description box below for more budget-friendly items like diatomaceous earth, mattress encasements, and interceptor cups. I've carefully chosen these items to ensure you get the best price and optimal effectiveness.